Hey everybody, today we are going to, it is me, the real Wordy. You can check out my channel and stuff, but I really don't have any interesting videos right now. But, as we promised, we're going to do one of these slopes called Doom. Now, first of all, is going to be Brandon. Hey Brandon! You can go now! Okay, here comes Brandon first. Yes! You go! Well, see, the reason why they're so far back. There he is.
Ooh,
just
big one.
Yep, here's Zombie Person 1 who has completed the first training session. Now we're gonna do Evan. Evan!
Evan, go!
Now we just wait on Evan. Evan! Get over here! Okay, there we go. Okay, he's going. Holy crap, he's going fast.
He's taping him.
Oh! Oh, he went into another person's yard.
This is impressive.
Go, Evan, yeah! Okay, Jason, you next!
Go!
Here comes Jason. Oh.
How long is it going, Ryan?
1 minute and 30. Okay. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, Jason! Do a squeal or something.
Oh! That is not safe. Guys, we're zooming out, but this was Doom.
Yep.